Class 7 Computer. Hello students, this is the fourth video session class of chapter number 2, that is Advanced Features of MS Excel 2010. Now in this video session class, I'll tell you practically how to filter data, there is filtering of data, and conditional formatting, how to format conditional formatting, how to do conditional formatting, and how to copy conditional formatting to other cells, clearing or removing or conditional formatting, and the different type of charts which I have told you in the last video session class. Now in this video session I'll tell you practically how to take charts and how to create charts and the chart layout, chart styles, then chart formatting, and the last is grouping of worksheets. Now these are the things we are going to do in this video session class. Now let's see. Now I'll open an MS Excel and I'll show you how to do the filtering of data. Now I have opened MS Excel and I have created a table here also containing the name of the students and the marks they get in their some term and exams or final exams, and the total marks they obtain and the average are given here. Now how to do the filtering, I'll tell you. I've already explained you in the theory class also. Here I'll tell you practically how to do it. Now from here, what we are going to do is click in the cell of the data within the worksheet. Click in any cell. Click in any cell within the data. The data which contain, you can click on any cell, and from the sort and filter group of the data tab. Now go to the data tab. These are the tabs here: home tab, insert tab, paste layout tab, formula tab, data tab, review tab, view tab. Now go to the data tab, and from the data tab go to the sort and filter group here. Now from here, what you have to do is you click on the filter button here. Now when you click on the filter button, you can show the headings. Below the heading on the right bottom corner, you show a arrow. All the right bottom corners of the headings, there are arrows here. So the arrow ma'am ubu phangamani. Noina, so the arrow ma'am phangise sidagi koina. Now click on the drop down arrow of the column you would like to filter. Now filter tongniba the click to biro sidida. Sigi koina average. Suppose I want to filter this average na 90 above to koina aina yenging hairagadi koina sida hana arrow down sida click to biro. Click on the arrow down here. Now you get an option here. Now these are the options you get here. Nana apam ro kaina sida text filter, sort to A to Z, sort to A, Z to A, or sort by color or text filter. Now select all hierarchy. Select to be select all hierarchy. Now from here, what you have to do is sort by color. Now click here and sort by color, custom sort by color or text color, contains or ends with, and custom filter. Go to custom filter here. Now average is equal to. Now average is greater than or equal to. Now you choose on the average is greater than equal to, the click to zero and put the number here and say the 90 above. The average which is greater than or equal to 90, then click OK here. Click OK to zero. Let's apply the filtering again. Now don't click on the heading here. Say heading se click to zero no. If you click on the heading, when you use the filter season matamda and use the filtering season matamda, text filter la ane ba kai no hagadi we are click when select we are selecting the text select over. So you better select on the data within the worksheet. Data the like. Now if you want to clear the filter here, just click on the filter like this. Then any data your data since the column which I want to filter apply filter aina apply toniba column today laiba data any data si ma'am data ma'am masida any data mai kada click to biro. And after that you go to the data tab, then go to the sort and filter group and use the filter here. Now say the arrow down remote tool like before we took him to give now click on the arrow down here. Now here you can see the number filters here. We saw before here text filter. When we click on the text, here the text the abcd when we click on the number the number filter now. Then on the number filters you choose the option from here which one you want to display, like greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Here I want greater than or equal to. Now here is greater than or equal to show rows where the average is 90, is greater than 90 or is equal to 90. Okay, now click here. Now only the cells, only Tomtin got the average 90 above or 90 or 90 above. Clear formatting here again, and let's see here clear formatting to thoga amuka yengasi hojiki lei hidu seida Tomtin kata ne Mr. Tomtin kata na 90 or 90 above here hai do. Now I'll use the undo button season aga hana ki ma'am do. Let's see all the average of the students. Now let's see here. So 90 henba kana yawi 90 henba student anta yawbre only Tomtin gets the average 90. Adna what we are applying filter here is correct. Okay, suppose if I make some here, I change some data like 97 and here 90 and here also 90. Now grandson also gets the average more than 90 average magi 90 hele magi so. Oh yeah, Tomtin katang now you clear the filter here. You know, so Tomtin na average 96.6 lai rahe, grandson na 92.4 lai rahe. Aduga sida suppose Akash ki su 90 or amakatang manin no just one gi se hela lage say the 90 95 and here I'll mark it as 92 and here I'll mark it as 90. Now just one so say the 92.4 average 92.4 later and now 90 and above to show to get it. Now I want to show the students which get an average which average is greater than or equal to 90. Only the students whose average is greater than or equal to 90 will be displayed here. Only students karamba students my average na 90 natraga 90 above level student katang ubi hai kadi say number 1 is Tomtin lai rahe, then this grandson lai rahe matang just one ahum je katane je ubi je. Now I'll apply the let's the click towards duga filter apply towards. Now we'll apply the filter here. Just click here. See ma'am say apply to only average apply to manina. Use the filter here, go to numbers and choose the option from here greater than or equal to. Show rows where means 96.6 high 96.6 and click to begini. Don't bother on this data. Okay, is greater than or equal to, so right here I'm writing from the keyboard here 90 here 90 here and click OK. Now the student whose average is greater than or equal to 90 is shown here. Only the students whose average is 90 or 90 above is shown here. That is Tomtin, grandson and Jason. Now if you want to clear the formatting you can just click the filter filter apply to it. Now we are applying filter here. So in the filter we can see a red orange color here. That means we are applying filter in which column? In J column. J column is also color as red here, highlighted as red. Sorry orange machu ngalaga leisi si ka khoina filter palisi kadai dano j column dani si j column sin dai ni se orange color leisi. Okay, now if you want to clear the formatting, you can click on the filter here. Now filter is orange color chakre this is hanagi name do mulai. Now likewise we can apply on the total marks obtained also. Total marks akoina obtain to use to. Now let's see here, we'll apply the total marks obtained. I will apply filter on the total marks obtained now. Total marks obtained to use filter I'll click anywhere on the data. Total mark any now 400 or 400 above, 401, 402, 3. 4 students get more than 400 in total marks. The do CJ greater than or equal to 400. Now apply filter here. Just click on the data anywhere in the data side. Make a click now apply filter. Now click here. Go to number filters. We are filtering the numbers. And greater than or equal to, you write here 400. Click OK. Now only the students whose total mark is 400 is shown here. Total marks is 400. Here is short display to short we are not sorting here. We are not sorting the total marks. Total marks of ascending or descending just short only display to the student which get more than total mark, the student whose total mark is more than 400 will only be displayed here. 400 whereas is equal to or more than 400 short to 462, 425, 462 is sorting to 400 intraga 400 henba students in the total marks now if you want to clear the formatting, you can clear here like this and clear to here. See, like this we can use the filtering in any of these. The Manipuri also, those students who now you can apply the filter. Click on the Manipuri subject. Now you want to see those students who get more than 90, then you click the now apply the number filters greater than or equal to, you click on this option and you write 90 here. Or the student who get more than or equal to 90 will be shown here. Now only 3 students, Tomtin Grandson and Jaswan got above 90 or 90 in 90 so grandson na 90 pange Manipuri da. So grandson ju uli jage ID greater than or equal to 90 have 90 whereas we have 90 na whereas we have or 90 above whereas we have. Alina sida 90 katang sis na topa subject in only for Manipuri the filter toba. Likewise you can apply here also. Just we apply to kisu guide section ga greater than equal to 90 magi 90 katang so they apply to regulation magi filter is ani thone apply to ni akoi se ahum thone apply to re sida funnel gi symbol ami je se filter apply to hani se funnel dong to symbol ami je se funnel ye je ko filter to ni se filter to ni koina chum thok pa do maina se da koina number ji khandu oga only 90 and above phang khata filter si koina double filter ne to isida in Hindi dasu 90 or 90 above phangba, Manipuri dasu 90 or 90 above phangba. Aduna ani makse filter si dasu pale kalam z dasu pale kalam hai dasu filter pa manina seda Manipuri da 90 phangega Hindi da 90 phangadi yaura well. Now I'll undo here again. Look here carefully. I see munium code look on the mouse pointer seda undo torge. So seda filter policy only in Manipuri subject katane. Manipuri subject kitang pan manina Manipuri subject di Tomtin, Grandson and Aswan got 90 or above 90. But when we go to Hindi subject and filter greater than or equal to 90, that means the student who get 90 or 90 above in both the subjects, Hindi and Manipuri. In Hindi also and Manipuri also, we are applying filter here. So funnel lechi, so funnel lechi. Atai jadi se roda ngotoni funnel am pelite. Alna Hindi natraga Hindi and Manipuri ani magta 90 or 90 above. Oiba student duk tang ulu habina tongkin ga besan ga dang juri se atai yang tihaw ga. Oh, si gada mana Manipuri da just one na assign Manipuri da 90 phanga magasu Hindi the phangdabina ma yaw okay on the way I applying two filter here, double filter here in Hindi and Hindi subject in Manipuri subject. Hindi subject su Manipuri subject animakta filter pan manina animaki condition do ying they are. Okay, I hope you understand till here. Hujibokta koi filter ki khanga ning khale total marks ta to ge or average ta or in each subject also you can apply filter as filter apply to ki okay. Now in math study grandson 89 phange but tomtina 98 phange. Now if we apply the filter here again, that is number filter, and go to greater than or equal to. Now if you apply the filter here greater than or equal to 90, if I click OK here, I say OK hết năm matamda grandson say yaw rồi okay you have the Hindi dazu Manipuri dazu maths dazu 90 or 90 above hangpada show to have ni na grandson say yaw rồi only tomtin katang ale tomtin katang na kadui the filter pale se funnel lazy the filter pale Hindi math subject to filter pale filter by we are applying filter in math subject, in Hindi subject and in Manipuri subject. In three subjects we are applying filter here. So we have to check all the three conditions. Here also in maths also the student should get greater than 90 or 90. In Hindi also we are applying the same condition in Hindi subject, in Manipuri subject also. Adana mana grandson nerambadu grandson ma 89 phange match adana ma display to roi only Tomchin will be displayed here. Adi match 90 phange mana Hindi 99 phange Manipuri 93 phange. In these three subjects he got more than 90, so only Tomchin will be displayed here. Sumaina Tomchin kadang display to easy ki hai kadi koina filter apply to easy. So filter math subject Hindi and Manipuri we have to check all these three conditions. Get to understand till here. Si booking may kanganing kale. Okay. When sida filter apply to position sida kanganing kala na. We go to the next topic, that is conditional formatting. Now before that, let's undo here or let's clear the formatting. Formatting clear to see. Now before going to the next topic, now let's see net apply filter in suppose in Manipuri subject. Okay, now click here and apply the filter here. Now we are searching for the students who get less than or equal to now 40 natraga 40 dagi hena hanthana phangba pick na phangba angang sing yang asi. Then you click OK here. Now 40 or 40 less than 40. Now yang say da so less than or equal to 40 have never those that tomthin thole ma di 40 here 40 the kilo me hele do aina pikiba condition the condition which I have written here is the mark should be less than or equal to 40 have any, but here Tomthin get 93 but only Tomthin is displayed here. Now let's see the reason why it is displayed. Now let's redo here again. Now see is the 40 or less than 40 yawra see so 49 is more than 40 and is not equal to 40 because mana di amazon 49 is 40 degi hele and amta yaudobina by default mana se pijarakane ujikido ko again hagadi yauragadi tholakadabani tawdabu sedi 40 ga 40 gi abak natangai re 40 yaudre dugo 40 abak natangai banina garbage value oina hojiki tomthin dang display to ine. Now let's change the marks of the tomthin here. Now let's see 45 tharasi and see here 49 or okay. Now let's apply filter, but now we will apply less than 50. So 40 yaudra less than 50 deyangasi. Now let's go to the number filter. Less than or equal to, let's type here 50. Less than or equal to 50. The student who get less than or equal to 50 here. The student who get or less than or equal to 50 is in Manipuri subject is only Tomthin. He got 45 and Mr. Alex he got 49. Ani se katani, others all are greater than 50. So click OK here. Now here only Alex and Tomlin is displayed here because they got less than 50 in Manipuri subject. Manipuri subject less than 50 phangeba 45 bang mana 45 Alex na 49 phangeba. Adugi only these two students are displayed here. When you got less than the OSI, less than equal to OSI, greater than OSI, greater than equal to OSI. Now you clear formatting. For clearing the formatting which we applied here, formatting do clear to formatting apply to video clear to click on the filter here. Say the red orange much orange much and sida among namjan matam you click here again. Now formatting of right. So formatting of the filtering of the sorry, no formatting, filtering of the filter to do mo ko he enter ko. Now let's go to the conditional formatting. Conditional formatting sisu chamane ko yung filtering to do ga, but here we apply a condition p by matung into. Now suppose if you want to underline and color the marks with red for students securing less than in your book it's given less than 40 marks have book study, but here will display the marks of the students who got less than suppose 60 ki makha phang do ko nya red na color sangjal asi aduga underline to rosi aduga red na color sangjal asi my marks ida. Okay, red na color sangjal laga my marks to ge ha gi ko ni first you have to select the marks of all the subject in the worksheet. In marks in only the marks, math, science, English, Hindi, Manipuri ki marks in loinama select to piro. Marks ni select to piro go to the home tab. From the home tab the style group to chango. So this group name is style group to chango duga conditional formatting da. The conditional formatting is the click to the drop down menu appears here. Drop down menu ma thogla bra seda drop down menu sagi new rule the changbiro bra. Okay, now after going to the new rule, what you have to do is type say ko nya kay pirani seda. Now format style to color scale or the format only cells that contains the click to giro because cell value le seda adi value do ko nya less than between less than the color si less than si kaino pick pa kay mark ya ohen seba 60 gi below 60 ohen se less than 60 gi makha da leibang kai machu changjan doine adu machu changjan bodo ko se format nam changbi ani. Now click here properly, look here properly, see the format se changani. A new dialog box will appear here. Sida thole format cells haiba dialog box thole sida underline to below, single underline, double underline, single underline to holaji duga color ji automatic le color ji koina red ohelaje. So sida underline red underline to ni duga red na color sangani haini sa display tholakani green hoigana green da ado koidi red ohelaji oh 60 ohelaji ke no sida yaw values in less than 40 do I am sendok na budi ki kai da. Now I have to change all the values here to input less than 40. So instead of that I give here less than 60 ki kai di ko less than 60 page less than 40 page. Then silver matunda you click on OK. Okay, nambiro then click OK again here. Now the student who get less than 60 marks are colored with red here. Now see properly here, red here and is underlined with red. Red where do ga underline so red na len to here. Minor conditional formatting je koina apply to here. Now koina conditional formatting kamane apply to here. You can apply conditional formatting to multiple conditions at the same time using manage rules. Now this try at home yum the try to yengo try to bu ko tani khangdu je ko try to the mi du di khangja ro or try to ge yengo je du gi na manage rule option si droga conditional formatting droga try to ge yengo yum da sigi manage rule ki matang da again green color font to percentage mark that fall in the range between 50% and 60% haina no testing time no like the always say that though do gi muhta we check on the percentage as an average as a average which falls between 80 and 90 80 and 99 years or 80 and 90 80 or 90 ka or 90 to 92 always say that the 60 and 80 60 and 80 yang ase oh 60 and 80 leave the green color sang as formatting season aga. Now select the cells here first, then click conditional formatting, go to new rule and go to format cells only that contain now between format cells with cell value di usim label value sing si makal label punya view values ni ko between kaya lagi kaya box is there. Now see here between 60 and 80 60 and 80 level the okay naman gadi 60 and 80 level se thola ni ko adu will go to the formatting here color sang na wagi namata underline the torgum say no need for doing underline. Now color with green color here green color torji the bold oil as well when itli bold itli regular when back itli bold itli. Now you click on bold. Now sige phone ki keno khan bas di kya se demo le je khan de ya de ni ko now sige okay to biro so da koina color se green to biro okay to biro. Now click okay here again. Now see here the average which falls between 60 to 80 are colored with green are only colored with green color here green color sang is so 68.4 63 78.6 green color lo sang maina koina marakta laiba adi 60 dagina 80 boki marakta laiba or less than 60 ki makhada laiba or above 90 duna color color sang jige haibana chimsum do loimak sang be yare saida. Okay, now sige matungda now copying conditional formatting to other cells koi conditional formatting se other cells ta copy to gaya di select the cells that have the conditional formatting applied by you cell do suppose ida koina 60 ga 80 ga gi marakta leibdo seida hoji apply to kini green color sang le ado sida ju apply sigi cell sing se apply to give news natra ado sida you click on any cell which you have applied the formatting conditional formatting click to be seida. And after that from the clipboard group of the home tab go to the home from the home tab the clipboard group sangaga format painter. This is format painter say brush only is now the icon here is a brush this format painter. You click on the format painter and select the cell you want to format because the red orange machu ngal lai is that means the format painter has been clicked. Now you can apply the formatting here so 60 and so between the mark which is between 60 and 80 60 ga 80 ga mark le green color sang hai. Now if I want to apply in English also I can apply it. First you have to click on the any cell where you have applied the formatting na the formatting season like the apply to give the click any cell the click to biro mai ta click to biro ni ko aduga sige format painter sida home tab sangaga clipboard group tagi format painter you click on format painter then you apply the conditional formatting on English. So 63 75 the same conditional formatting height 80 60 the marks which is between 60 and 80 do chap man na palin se so chap man palin na 60 ga 80 ga gimarak le green color sang ne maina koina formatting se apply to so ya. Now clearing or removing the conditional formatting clear to ba amasung remove to ba conditional formatting remove to ge hagadi koi kamai to ni clear to ba natra remove to kamai to ni ko to clear or remove the conditional formatting apply on a cell or a range of cells. The steps are as follows. From the style group of the home tab see home tabs lagi see style group se sangbirani ko after that click on the conditional formatting. You go to the conditional formatting here. After going to the conditional formatting you click here clear rules. Now here you got two options here. Clear rules from the selected cell. Clear rules from the selected cells means only I have selected only one cell here. The name of this cell is Z8. It is in Z column and 8th row. So this is Z8 katang clear to hagadi. Clear rules from selected cells ID sakit to the only Z na clear rules of from conditional formatting. Clear rules from entire sheet. So entire sheet number 1 is the entire sheet dagi clear to hagadi. Clear rules from entire sheet. Whatever we applied formatting here, conditional formatting all has been clear. Clear to hello ma amta yaw to ma'am say red ay ba red underline to ba green sang ba amta yaw to say da. Now let's undo here again. Hanagi color song dong lại đây là gì da undo tong matam da. Lại có gì da anh nhớ gì da hai cái chứ. Now I select. Now here let's select these Hindi subject or here green geology subject already Manipuri subject in selector. Now go to the home tab and from the home tab style group. From the style group go to the conditional formatting option and from there clear rules. The clear rules from selected cells and selectable cell clear to below handy. Now we are clearing the rules from the selected cells only. Now only the selected cells has been the conditional formatting has been cleared from the cells only, which I have selected here. I select cells in there. Range of cells is there. Only clear conditional formatting there. Clear to web. Conditional formatting apply to the like this we can clear or remove the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting there. Clear to remove to. Now for today, let's do it till here, till the conditional formatting and clearing or removing conditional formatting and copying conditional formatting to other cells. Now till here, let's do it for today till here. Now in the next video session class, I'll show you practically how to create a chart and how to take different type of charts. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.